Like a replacement kind of thing?
No, they won't do that because they said I'm too young.
Arthroscopic something.
Yeah, and there's a new device that kind of stabilizes the knee from the outside that they want to use. So we'll see.
Oh, look at that.
There we go.
That's wonderful.
Good job.
Looking good, Mog.
No peanut butter. No peanut butter. Good job, Mocha.
Starting at the back.
This is a calming point. I was afraid he kept, every time I tried to move, he was, he's very interested in what I'm doing, so.
Oh, so that's the top of the head.
Yeah, that's what I tend to go for, but thought that might stress him out more today than normal.
You have to think of everything.
Yeah, good job.
It's always literally a moving target sometimes. Well, he sounds so much better. Do you remember him?
I do.
This is GF, by the way, sorry.
Hi, Amy.
Hello.
You saw him the first day?
Yes, I think so.
I think you did help me with him the first time.
Yes.
Yeah.
It's squirming a little bit.
There was a guy here too.
Nathan.
Nathan?
Yeah.
Glasses?
Mm-hmm.
Yes.
Dark hair.
Yes.
Yeah.
I just know the common point, like on that permission point or whatever.
The head.
But we got that back here too. Huh?
Yeah, this is another permission point, that middle one back here.
Good job, sweet boy.
I think it's working.
Now that we're
This
facing
way.
this way, yeah, we're going to go this way.
Yeah.
Good job, bud.
Oh.
Even more. What about mobility-wise? Have you seen any change at home? Any
He's all
improvements?
good.
Okay.
You mean he's gotten less mobile or?
Less mobile, or was he stiff before because he's older and maybe it wasn't really coming out as well, and you're just seeing a kind of an improvement in his energy levels and things like that?
So no, it had to do with his enlarged heart that's causing him to cough, I guess, because it's pushing on his trachea.
Yeah.
And so it was just eliciting a cough reflex.
And then there was, the more you cough, the more you got a cough.
Yeah. So they gave him, the cardiologist gave him that cough suppressant, and it's like, wow. But that seemed to work. So now he's resting more, obviously, right? Because he wasn't resting. Neither were we.
Yeah.
So, like, now he's resting more. Doesn't cough as much.
He's a little bit bigger than your hand.
I know, not much though. 2 hands.
Yeah, good boy, Mocha.
Good job. Who's a good boy?
What time do you guys close?
So our last appointment is usually around 4:30, but we have someone here 24/7 for the foundation dogs and for dogs who do board here.
I actually don't know because I don't usually work Saturdays, so I'm helping out because Sophia's gone. So.
Yeah, she messed everybody up.
I know. Darn vacation's not not fair.
So which point was that last one?
Last one is greater vessel 4. So this is just promoting energy to move down the whole body. Just kind of spread it out.
Sweet.
Yeah.
Who's such a good boy?
Right off the, he's hesitant at first, but then first needle and, oh, okay.
Yeah, he calms down and realizes and gets into Zen mode.
Yeah.
And I did a heart point on the inside of the wrist there. Can't really see it from here, but
No. On
it's
his
good.
right front wrist, or?
It's on his left front.
Left
kind of
front?
Right here, yeah.
It's amazing, you guys, oh, it's here and then right there, and the whole body is like big.
Well, it feels different. There's certain, you look for anatomical landmarks, and then there's just usually a subtle nuance of a different feeling. It's hard to describe, but once you've been trained,
You can be able to that touch.
Yep, exactly. So,
Now, do you do large animal too, or no?
I do not. That takes a lot more training, and I have not done that yet.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
You do
bigger
people?
needles too.
Not people either.
I can legally treat large animals. I cannot treat people, unfortunately. Yeah. Yes, bigger needles as well, absolutely. Though for big dogs, a lot of the needles are the same size as the horses, and for people, so we have about the same size of needles. But Mocha size needles are tiny this way and tiny in gauge as well.
Engage.
So, this is the Mocha acupuncture treatment, and I'm Lois Threlkel, ladiesofjusticeleague.com. Make sure you leave a comment. Maybe you have a question or two, I don't know. And share, like, and subscribe. Talk soon.
Bye, Mook. Good luck.